Okay, does everyone have a Scantron? I know I've asked several times. Some of you have come in recently. Darren, you don't have one. Go ahead, take one, pass it down. If you could pass that back to Liz as well. What we're going to do is we're going to do a 35-minute section. We're going to do test 73, section 2, which is on page 202 in the class study guide. This is a logical reasoning section. As always, I'll give you 35 minutes. As you're going through the section, what should we do?
Slow down and make sure to read.
Slow down and make sure to read. That's good. Okay. And because we're doing a 35-minute section, what else should you take note of?
Circle questions you're not sure about.
Circle questions you're not sure about. Sound good?
Oh, yeah.
Yep. And then when you're finished with this section, go back to the ones that you weren't sure about. See if you can grade yourself. Say, yeah, I think I got this right. Or no, now that I have time and I'm relaxed, I think I got it wrong. Talk about it with your neighbor, and then as soon as you're done talking about the ones you weren't sure about with your neighbor, look up the right answer, right? So if you weren't sure about question 10, debate it with your neighbor. They say, hey, no, this one was not confusing at all. I think it was D for this reason. And you can say, well, I thought it was B, but maybe it is D. Then look it up. Once you're done looking it up, flag it if you still want to talk about it as a group. Sound good?
Are we going to do the two sections back to back?
We're going to do one section, review it, do another section. Yep. Okay, so you have 35 minutes. If you have a timer going, I would strongly encourage you to not look at it. Yes?
Sorry, do you have a page number?
Oh, yes, we are on page 202 in the class study guide. Test 73, section 2. Don't look at your timer because you're not going to be able to have a digital timer at the actual test. Ben, I see you have an analog watch. That is legit. All right, but even then, Ben, I probably wouldn't look at it too much.
I don't.
Okay, cool. 35 minutes. Begin now.